is not working because something is showing in the alarm DFT. So check here, working after showing in the H. H means is overheat. This is a one is have fan motor is back side is not working in the proper. See, heat nothing remained. So need to be replace this exhaust fan, BFT exhaust fan. Then he will go into the work in the proper. This is a BFT small fan. So this one is not working proper. So need to be replaced this one. So I will open this one. See, this is a small BFD fan here. Okay, this is not working proper. So in here, this location is fixed here. BFD. Okay. This fan is at 24 voltage DC, 0.12 amperes. Power supply on. Check the rotation like this one. See, this is a correct. So fix it like this one. Okay, this is a exhaust coming from the upside. Okay, see now running. I'll off one time. Okay, now it's running. And so in the okay, खलास we I'll switch on this one, then power supply is running. Now this is the exhaust, FD exhaust is running condition.